Alright guys, I'm back here with this hexapod or spider robot setup, and what I discovered was that I did not have enough parts such as these parts over here. I do have some extra parts that are indeed in this kind of size, so longer than those, as you can see. So the problem was that in the end I have 4 of these and extra 4 of those. However, not enough to have a total of 6 of these or 6 of these. So what's going to happen is I'm going to have to figure out whether I want to have 2 longer ones, like one long in the front and one long in the back, or just one long in the back and then 2 of the short ones, which is what we have right here. Right now, currently, what we have as a configuration is 2 of the shorter ones and 1 long in the back. Again, this whole thing could be mixed and matched in so many different ways. You could have 1 long one in the middle and 2 short at the front and the back, or 2 long front back and 1 short in the middle. Unfortunately, since I don't have enough of the other ones, you can't have 3 of the long ones or 3 of the short ones. So that's what we got, and that's what we're going to be working with. So that's one thing. This arm is fully put together. I just need to screw it onto there. The other thing that I found out that I could do is I could even extend these further. So the feet here are going to be pretty short, and the reason for that is that right now you see this hexapod or robot spider is at its highest configuration, but that's not how it's going to be able to walk. When it walks, it'll be mounted down to most likely something like this. So let's see if we can do this real quick. Probably won't stay in place because the servos are not on, but this should give you an idea of how tall it will actually be. Probably this tall, rather than the full height that you saw before. You see how much difference that is. But with this little extension, I could make it as tall as it was, or close to as tall as it was even in that configuration, which would mean that when it was put, if it is put to the really tallest, then it would actually be like that. But you know, you never really use all this clearance. However, it may make it easier for it to go up stairs and stuff like that. I don't know, there's so many things that can be done with this kind of system. Potentially could even make like a mini vacuum cleaner hexapod that would clean the stairs, which would be really awesome since there's nothing out there right now that can do something like that. So yeah, that's a bunch of different options I was thinking about. But anyway, stay tuned as I slowly put this together, and we'll see how it goes from there. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.